Lisa Patel was a force to be reckoned with. A dedicated mother of two, she expertly navigated the world of playdates and bedtime stories. But Lisa was also a woman with a dream. Years spent as a marketing executive had honed her skills. She knew how to build a brand, how to connect with an audience. Now, she craved a new challenge. Lisa yearned for a career that would not only utilize her talents but also fit seamlessly into her life as a mom. She wanted flexibility. She wanted purpose. She wanted to be her own boss. It was time for a change, a chance to build something extraordinary. One rainy afternoon, Lisa's good friend Marie came over for coffee. As the rain pattered against the window, the two friends delved into conversation. The topic: home business ideas for women in Canada. Marie, a fitness enthusiast and part-time blogger, was also exploring entrepreneurial ventures. The friends decided to combine their energy and creativity in a brainstorming session. Ideas flowed freely. They jotted down notes on a notepad, their excitement building with each idea. Should Lisa leverage her marketing expertise to offer virtual coaching? Marie was passionate about wellness. Maybe a subscription box service was the way to go. Could they tap into the growing demand for eco-friendly products? Every possibility held potential, each spark igniting a new path. As they sifted through their ideas, one stood out: handmade jewelry. It wasn't just any idea, it was a passion project that had been simmering in Lisa's mind for years. She had always been fascinated by the intricate designs and the meticulous craftsmanship that went into creating each piece. The thought of turning this passion into a business was both exhilarating and daunting. Lisa had always been drawn to the artistry and craftsmanship of jewelry making. From a young age, she would spend hours watching videos and reading books about different techniques. She even took a few classes to hone her skills. The more she learned, the more she fell in love with the process. It was a form of expression, a way to create something beautiful and meaningful. She loved the idea of creating beautiful, unique pieces that could be treasured for years to come. Each piece of jewelry was like a small work of art, a testament to her creativity and dedication. She imagined her customers wearing her creations with pride, knowing that they owned something truly special. But Lisa wanted to take it a step further. She didn't just want to make jewelry, she wanted to make a difference. She began to think about how she could incorporate her values into her business. What if her jewelry could be both beautiful and sustainable? What if she could create pieces that were not only stylish but also eco-friendly? Sustainability was a core value for her. She had always been conscious of her environmental impact and wanted her business to reflect that. She started researching sustainable materials and practices, looking for ways to minimize waste and reduce her carbon footprint. The more she learned, the more she realized that this was the direction she wanted to take. What if she could create a jewelry business that was not only stylish but also eco-conscious? The idea excited her. She envisioned a brand that stood for something more than just fashion. It would be a brand that promoted sustainability and ethical practices, a brand that her customers could feel good about supporting. The more they discussed it, the more excited Lisa became. She started sketching designs and brainstorming ideas for her brand. She reached out to friends and family for feedback and support. The positive responses she received fueled her enthusiasm and gave her the confidence to move forward. She envisioned a brand that used recycled metals, ethically sourced gemstones, and biodegradable packaging. Every aspect of her business would reflect her commitment to sustainability. She wanted her customers to know that when they bought her jewelry, they were making a positive impact on the environment. She could partner with local artisans, supporting their craft and reducing her environmental footprint. By collaborating with skilled artisans, she could ensure that each piece was made with care and attention to detail. It was a win-win situation. She could offer high-quality, unique jewelry while also supporting her community, supporting their craft and reducing her environmental footprint. This approach would not only set her brand apart, but also align with her values. She believed that a business should be about more than just profit. It should be about making a positive impact. This wasn't just about selling jewelry. It was about making a statement. Lisa wanted her brand to inspire others to think about their own impact on the environment. She hoped that her commitment to sustainability would encourage her customers to make more eco-conscious choices in their own lives. Lisa was ready to build a business that reflected her values and resonated with like-minded consumers. She knew it wouldn't be easy, but she was determined to make it work. With a clear vision and a passion for her craft, she was ready to take the leap and turn her dream into reality. Lisa knew that the handmade jewelry market was competitive. Established brands and independent artisans were vying for attention online and in craft markets across Canada. But Lisa wasn't fazed by the challenge. She saw an opportunity. While many brands focused solely on aesthetics, Lisa would differentiate herself through sustainability. She would appeal to a growing segment of consumers who were looking for ethically made, eco-friendly products. Lisa delved into market research, analyzing her competitors' strengths and weaknesses. She studied their pricing strategies, their marketing tactics, their target audiences. She scoured online marketplaces like Etsy, observing trends and identifying gaps. Lisa was determined to not only compete but to excel. Her unique selling proposition: sustainable luxury. Section 5. The Eco-Conscious Approach. From Materials to Mission. Sustainability wasn't just a buzzword for Lisa, it was woven into the very fabric of her business. She meticulously sourced her materials, opting for recycled metals like sterling silver and gold fill. When selecting gemstones, she prioritized ethical sourcing, partnering with suppliers who shared her commitment to fair labor practices. Even her packaging was eco-friendly, crafted from recycled paper and biodegradable materials. Lisa's commitment to sustainability extended beyond her products. She partnered with local charities that supported Indigenous women, donating a portion of her profits to empower and uplift these communities. Each piece of jewelry told a story, not just of craftsmanship and beauty, but also of social responsibility and environmental consciousness. Section 6. Digital Domination Marketing in the Modern Age. Lisa understood the power of the internet. She realized that the digital landscape was not just a trend, but a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. The internet offered a vast array of tools and platforms that could help her reach a global audience, something that was unimaginable a few decades ago. She knew that to succeed in today's market, she needed a strong online presence. This meant not only having a website, but also being active on social media, engaging with her audience, and constantly updating her digital strategies to keep up with the ever-changing algorithms and trends. She began by building a sleek, user-friendly website. This website was not just a digital storefront, but a comprehensive platform that offered a seamless user experience. It was designed to be intuitive, easy to navigate, and visually appealing, ensuring that visitors could find what they were looking for without any hassle. Her website showcased her jewelry collections, shared her brand story, and provided a seamless online shopping experience. Each product page was meticulously crafted to highlight the unique features of her jewelry, complete with high-quality images and detailed descriptions that told the story behind each piece. Lisa also harnessed the power of social media. She understood that platforms like Instagram and Pinterest were not just for socializing but powerful tools for marketing. By creating engaging content, she could connect with her audience on a personal level, building a community around her brand. She created engaging content on Instagram and Pinterest, showcasing her jewelry through stunning photography and captivating videos. These platforms allowed her to visually tell her brand's story, share behind-the-scenes looks at her design process, and interact with her followers through comments and direct messages. To drive traffic to her website, Lisa implemented search engine optimization, or SEO, strategies. SEO was crucial for making her website more visible on search engines like Google, ensuring that potential customers could easily find her when searching for jewelry online. She researched relevant keywords and incorporated them into her website content and product descriptions. This involved understanding what her potential customers were searching for and tailoring her content to meet those needs, making her website more likely to appear in search results. She also started a blog, sharing her insights on sustainable fashion, ethical sourcing, and the art of jewelry making. Her blog became a platform where she could express her values and connect with like-minded individuals who cared about the same issues. Lisa's blog posts not only provided valuable information to her target audience but also helped her website rank higher in search engine results. By consistently updating her blog with fresh, relevant content, she kept her audience engaged and attracted new visitors to her site, further solidifying her online presence. Section 7. Year 1. A success story in the making. Lisa's hard work and dedication paid off. In her first year of business, she surpassed her initial sales goals. She launched her online store, participated in local craft fairs, and even secured a few wholesale accounts with boutiques that aligned with her brand values. Her initial monthly revenue of $2,000 quickly grew to $7,500 by the year's end. With minimal overhead costs, Lisa enjoyed a healthy profit margin of 60%. She reinvested a portion of her profits back into her business, purchasing new equipment, expanding her inventory, and exploring new marketing channels. Lisa's success wasn't just about the numbers, it was about the positive impact she was making. She was creating beautiful, sustainable jewelry, supporting local artisans, and empowering women in her community. Section 8. Pearls of Wisdom. Lisa's advice for aspiring entrepreneurs. Lisa's journey was an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs across Canada. Her story resonated with many because it was a testament to the power of determination and vision. She started with a simple idea and a lot of passion, and over time she built a business that not only thrived, but also made a significant impact in her community. She proved that with passion, perseverance, and a well-defined strategy, it was possible to turn a home-based business into a thriving success story. Lisa's approach was methodical. She meticulously planned each step and adapted to challenges as they arose. Her home office became the command center for her growing enterprise, a place where ideas were nurtured and transformed into reality. When asked about her secrets to success, Lisa shared these pearls of wisdom insights that she had gathered through years of experience and learning. Her advice was not just theoretical but practical, grounded in the realities of running a business. First, start small, dream big. Lisa emphasized the importance of beginning with what you have and where you are. She believed that every big business started as a small idea, nurtured with care and dedication. You don't need a huge investment or a team of employees to launch your dream business. Lisa's own journey was proof that starting from a modest setup can lead to great success. She encouraged aspiring entrepreneurs to leverage their unique strengths and resources. Start small, focus on your niche, and gradually scale your operations as your customer base grows. Second, embrace authenticity. Lisa believed that authenticity was a key differentiator in a crowded market. She advised entrepreneurs to stay true to their values and let their genuine selves shine through in their business practices. Consumers are drawn to brands that are genuine and transparent. Lisa's own brand was built on these principles, and it helped her create a loyal customer base that trusted and valued her offerings. Share your story, showcase your values, and let your personality shine through in your branding and marketing. Lisa often shared her entrepreneurial journey, the highs and lows, and the lessons learned along the way. This not only humanized her brand but also created a deeper connection with her audience. And third, harness the power of technology. In today's digital age, technology can be a game changer for small businesses. Lisa utilized various online tools and platforms to streamline her operations, manage her time efficiently, and reach a wider audience. Embrace online tools and platforms to streamline your operations, reach a wider audience, and connect with customers on a deeper level. Lisa's use of social media, e-commerce platforms, and digital marketing strategies played a crucial role in her business growth. She encouraged others to stay updated with technological advancements and use them to their advantage. Section 9. A legacy of empowerment inspiring women across Canada. Lisa's story resonated with women across Canada who were yearning for more fulfilling and flexible career paths. Her brand, Ecolume Jewelry, became synonymous with sustainable luxury, proving that it was possible to build a successful business without compromising your values. Lisa's journey was a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit that thrived in Canadian women. She inspired countless others to pursue their passions, to take risks, and to create businesses that reflected their unique talents and perspectives. Lisa's legacy wasn't just about beautiful jewelry, it was about empowering women to embrace their full potential and create lives of purpose and success.